In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use the free version of Ubersuggest for keyword research. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the Ubersuggest analytics portal at neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. This is the main website where you can explore keyword and SEO data. If you are brand new to the platform, take a moment to look around the homepage so you understand what the tool is designed to do. Ubersuggest is commonly used for keyword ideas, search volume insights, and general content planning, so it can be a useful starting point if you want to do research without jumping straight into a paid tool. Before you go too far, it's important to understand how access works. Some features on the platform are limited unless you are using an official paid subscription plan. In other words, if you want permanent access to premium features, that typically requires a paid card-based subscription. Knowing this upfront helps set the right expectations, especially if you're comparing the free and paid versions. If you want to use the platform without paying, the next step is to create a standard registration account. This gives you access to the free version and lets you establish a basic account so you can start using the available tools within the platform's limits. As you sign up, just follow the normal account creation process and use your own details securely. Once your registration is complete, you'll be able to log in and begin using the free features that are included. Now keep in mind that the free version comes with a daily usage cap. Specifically, you can use up to 3 free keyword searches per day. That means it's a good idea to be intentional with what you search. Try preparing a short list of your most important keywords in advance so you can get the most value out of those limited daily searches. If you use all 3, you'll need to wait until the next day for your free allowance to reset. There's also another helpful free option you should know about. You can download the complimentary Ubersuggest Chrome extension, which allows you to view keyword statistics directly inside regular Google search results. This is especially useful because it lets you scan keyword data while doing normal searches without needing to return to the main platform every time. It can make your workflow faster and more convenient, particularly if you're doing quick research or comparing multiple search terms. That's how to get started with the free version of Ubersuggest in Chrome, understand its limitations, and make the most of the tools available to you.